Welcome back. So in this video we are going to see prime factorization method. Okay. Now why the name prime factorization method? There are two reasons. Here we will perform factorization, or you can say we will perform the solution of the given numbers only by prime numbers. Now let me break down the topic for you. Factorization means finding out factors, and we all know what is the meaning of prime number. Now for this method to be completely understood, we all should know all the prime numbers at least from 1 to 50. Okay, we should know thoroughly what are the prime numbers from 1 to 50, then only we will be able to understand this method. So what is the intention of this method? We will find out the factors of any given number only by using prime numbers. That is the meaning of this method, prime factorization method. I again repeat the word. In prime factorization method, we will find out the factors of any given number only by using prime numbers. Okay? How? I will mention you the method. Okay, so let us take a small question for your understanding. Say, find factors of, say, 42 by prime factorization method. Okay, remember students, we only and only have to use prime numbers. Now how sir will give you a demo? Listen to me. In prime factorization method, whatever the question is given to us, that question will be written in the center. Okay, whatever question is given to us, that question will be written in the center. We will divide the number given in the question by prime numbers. Okay, we will divide the numbers given in the question by prime numbers and write down the result in the next column. We will understand. 42 is the question. Remember, here only prime numbers will come. We have to divide only using prime number. So 42, because it is an even number, I will start dividing by 2. Is 2 a prime number? Yes. For your information, 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, 42 I will divide by 2. So if you divide in rough, or if you can divide directly, 42 divided by 2, answer is 21. 42 divided by 2, answer is 21. Now again I have to divide 21 by a prime number. Okay, again I have to divide 21 by a prime number. Can 21 be divided by 2? No sir. Can 21 be divided by 3? Yes. Is 3 a prime number? Yes. So I am dividing 21 by 3. On dividing 21 and 3, what I am getting? 7. Can 7 be divided by 2, 3, 4? 7 can be only divided by 7. Is 7 a prime number? Yes. Now 7 divided by 7, answer is 1. So as soon as 1 is coming, we will stop the division process. So what are the prime factors of 42? Prime factors of 42 are 2 into 3 into 7. If you are not wanting to write into, you can also write 2, 3, 7. And students, how to check your answer? If your answer is correct, multiplication of these 3 will give you 42. Let us see. 2 3s are 6. 6 7s are 42. If answer is coming 42, that means your solution is correct. So what did we learn in this question? Whatever number is given, you have to divide it using prime numbers only, and we will divide till when? We will divide till actually 1 is coming down. Divide with prime numbers, whatever is the answer of division, you write in the next row. Okay. Again divide that next row number till whatever prime number is applicable. Continue this division process till we are reaching 1. And once 1 is reached, we will write down all these prime numbers. This will be the prime factors of the given question. We will see one more question of the same. I am taking a question from textbook exercise only. Find prime factors of 980. Nothing to be worried about. We know division, we know prime numbers. So 980, obviously now you will think that sir, I will divide 980 by 10. Wrong. Immediately wrong. Why it is wrong? 980 whenever it is divided by 10. 10 is not a prime number. We are using prime factorization method, so we compulsorily have to use prime numbers only, and 10 is not a prime number. Okay, so we cannot divide with that. Let us start with division. We can divide with 5 also. Why 5? 5 is also a prime number. We can divide with 2 also. Why 2? 2 is also a prime number. So for this question I can divide with 5 also. I can divide with 2 also. Let us start division by 5. Okay. 5 ones are 5, left is 4, 5 nines are 45, left is 3, and 5 6 are 30. Okay, you can divide with 196. I will definitely divide with 2. Okay, 2 nines are 18 and 2 8s are 16. Again 98. I will divide with prime number 2. 49. 49 can be divided easily by 7 only. 7 sevens are 49 and 7 ones are 7. You can see all the numbers that I have stated are actually prime numbers only. So what are the prime factors of 980? 5 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Correct? 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. 7 7s are 49. 49 into 20 will be obviously 980. Okay students, so this was about the prime factorization method. Very important and very easy method. Why easy method? We have to divide only using prime numbers. Okay, so that will be all for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.